shortfall that I saw when I was coming through as a pro basketball player, a lot of us did not have the financial literacy we needed to have and didn't always make the best financial decisions. So I'm taking the time to do what I can to share what I've learned about financial literacy. I have a book list that I share with the players that I work with. We have discussions about the book list. I want to hear their perspective. I want to hear their understanding of what they really learned, by reading this good information and trying to really increase their financial literacy. A lot of money being paid out right now, deservedly so, to our college athletes and pro athletes at this point in time. And I really want to make sure that our men and women athletes truly understand how they can put themselves in a better financial position by having better conversations with their CPAs, accountants, and tax preparers on how to decrease their taxable income from a very legal standpoint. And I think a lot of that is missed amongst our college players because they are a little younger. They should be excited and are excited to be treated fairly and paid the money that they deserve, but there's a responsibility that comes with receiving those dollars. And that responsibility falls along the lines of increasing your financial literacy.